Welcome back, vdiscovery viewers. Today, I want to address a misconception that in text messages, when you load them to Excel or a DAT file, you lose emojis. I heard this misconception in one of the webinars, so today I want to address that. Let's take a look at my screen and see how text messages look in Excel whenever vdiscovery exports them out of forensic software. Now, what you see on the screen is an Excel file, and if we scroll a little to the right, you see we have a column that says text description. This is the column that contains body of the text message. And if we look lower, we'll see that emojis are present in Excel. Now, this misconception could come from using an old version of Microsoft Excel where some emojis were not supported. However, if you use a current version of Excel, these emojis are supported. Next, let's take a look at a DAT file and see if emojis are supported there. Now, if you don't typically look at the DAT files, shield your eyes because this is going to look intense. Here it is. This is a DAT file where same data from Excel was exported to. Now, if you look in the middle of this file, right in this section, you will see that emojis are still present in this DAT file. Even though we've taken data from Excel and put it into a DAT file, emojis are preserved. If you're not using Unicode compatible DAT file, you could lose emojis in that situation. All right, let's take it further. Let's take this data and load it into Relativity using one of our workflows called SMC. SMC stands for Short Message Communication, where text messages are loaded as each text message a document or a record in Relativity. So I'm going to switch over to Relativity, and now we can see same emojis as well. They have been loaded, they have been preserved, and they're in place. The reason why you may not see emojis in Relativity is if your extracted text or body text isn't set as Unicode field. All right, so now we know emojis could be displayed in Relativity just fine. Let's convert this data into an RSMF file format that is much better for imaging and production, and see how it looks there. Now I'm going to locate this document where same information is stored. I'm going to click to open it. I'm going to switch to a viewer, and I'm going to scroll all the way down. This is where those emojis appear. And if we look right here in the last few records, again, we see emojis present. Now, the reason why you could be losing emojis in RSMF file format is because of the conversion process that does not support Unicode. Maybe you have used a DAT file that doesn't support Unicode, or the application that generates RSMF files did not support Unicode characters. So as you can see, RSMF, SMC workflow, Excel, and the DAT files all fully support emojis. Now, the final question on your mind, are emojis supported for productions? When I create an image, will I see those emojis appear on the TIFF image that I create from RSMF file? Let's switch back to my computer and image this document. I'm going to image, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the same location where I saw those emojis, and they are there. They appear on the image just fine. So when you're going to convert RSMF file from a native format to TIFF for productions, emojis will be preserved. All right, guys, I hope this answers the question whether emoji characters are preserved through different stages of conversion or e-discovery process. Answer to that question, of course, is yes. And if you would like to see demo for yourself, please contact vdiscovery's project manager, who will be happy to show you SMC workflow as well as RSMF and how emojis appear in Excel as well as Relativity. That's it for this one. Please don't forget to follow vdiscovery on LinkedIn, subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.